Hey guys, so this is just a tutorial on how to install an APK file on our T-Series head units. So what I've done here is I've got a USB. There's a USB included in every kit for updates. So if you want to install an APK file onto the T-Series head unit, all you have to do is find a computer. I'm using a MacBook. You can use a Windows computer and plug this in. The adapter that I use to install the file is upstairs, but all you do is plug in a USB, reformat it to FAT32, which will make sure that no other files are on the USB, and then all you got to do is copy and paste the file. I tried to drag it over and it was a real pain, so there's no problem in just copying and pasting it. Also, you don't need to compress it or extract it. It's not a zip file, it'll just be a straight copy over to the USB. Once you've done that, make sure you eject it and find one of the female USB ports on your unit. So this being our test bench, obviously this is just here, but this could be your USB rocker switch USB, like the audio one that can also have data transfer, or it could be the extra USBs that you maybe have routed into your glove box. But either way, I'm going to plug this in here now the correct way. There we go. And from your home page on the unit, you might not have Easy File Explorer on here, but if you swipe over, you'll find Easy File Explorer. Now this is what you'll most likely see when you open the app. All you have to do to find the USB is go up to the top left where these three little lines are. You press there and you'll have a fast access menu pop up. This favorite section up the top here, you can just ignore that. What we're interested in is the local section. And you should see here it says USB 1006. So you press on that, it'll say VHEDIA, click on that. Now don't worry, all these folders I didn't create. That's just a default thing that happens. If I plug this into my computer, none of those folders would show up. The only thing that matters is the APK file, and as an example here, we've installed a DSP2, an update to an app on this unit. If you go into any of these folders, they're all empty, so just don't worry about them. Once you click on the actual file itself, it should start to load. It'll say, please wait. The file will be cached to SD card and opened as read-only. It'll say, okay, would you like to install it? You press install. Do you wish to install an update to this built-in application? Your existing data will not be lost. Install, app installed, open it. Obviously this is a test bench, it's not in a car, but if you were installing the DSP app, for example, you'd want to go through into your car and make sure all the functions work as they should, and then you're all good to go. No worries, you can unplug your USB, that won't affect anything at all. That's safe to do after it's been installed, and you're all done. Cheers.